Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jaina if you're new here, so thank you for watching. I just want to firstly do a massive shout out to all of you guys, just everyone that is watching my videos, because over the past kind of week and a half, maybe 2 weeks, I have received so many positive comments, so much positive feedback from everyone about my YouTube videos or my Instagram, and it's been amazing. Like, I just want to thank you all because it means so much to me and it makes my heart feel so warm, and it just makes me want to keep doing this. Like, this for me is a passion, and just to see it being like really well received just means so much to me. So keep supporting me, keep sharing my links. I'm happy for anyone to be sharing my YouTube video links, and yay, thank you. So anyway, I just thought we'd go straight into today's video. It's another short one this week, but I just feel like I need to explain myself on this topic. So as you can see, this video is going to be about soap brows. You're all going to be like, Jaina, this is not a new trend. I know it's not a new trend. I didn't say I do new trends. I just like to try new products to me. So I was like in Superdrug on the weekend, and I just thought, do you know what? I'm going to try it, because I just have to say, you're all going to be like, oh my God, really? But I have never really liked the soap eyebrow trend, because I don't like the spiky eyebrow look. Like, I'm sorry, it might suit you, but honey, boo, that was not going to look good on me. Like, it was never going to look good on me. So I just didn't like it. But recently on TikTok, I've been seeing people do the soap eyebrow trend, but make it really fluffy but neat. So I thought, I'm gonna try it, because as you can see, these are my natural eyebrows and they're not very thick, and I mean, there's a lot of hair, but they're not like thick in terms of size. But I just thought, you know what, I'm gonna try it, because let's see what it's all about. So I went in and I picked up the Revolution soap styler. I thought, I'm gonna try it. I've not tried it, this is the first time I'm gonna be doing it. I thought, as the first time, I'm gonna film myself so we can kind of go through this process together. But yeah, let me know in the comments if you've tried it, or if you have any like tips and hints that kind of make them look pretty, not too spiky, but like make them look good. Let me know in the comments, because your sis needs help. In this, you kind of get a brush, which is weird. Oh my God, the soap fell out. Okay, this is what you get in it. It is literally a soap bar, and also it's so thin, so, you know. But I mean, do we need that much? Okay, it smells good. That actually smells really good. Like, that's not off-putting. It's like a floral scent to it. That's nice. Okay, so we're gonna go in. I'm gonna go in by brushing my eyebrows first I'm gonna try the brush that they gave, because let's just see. But I also have a spoolie to kind of go in with after. So I've just brushed my eyebrows up, and I'm gonna use, let me hold that so it doesn't fall out. I'm just gonna get a bit on their brush. I have wet this a tiny little bit, because I've seen people do that. And then we're gonna go up. Oh my God, ew. Okay. I'm very aware that I've got like soap or like something weird on my eyebrow. Okay, so I can clearly see the eyebrow is thicker, like, I'm not blind. But this is what I don't like. I just think they're so spiky. Also, I'm very aware like that there is something on my eyebrow. Like, it's very, like, a little bit crispy, you know? And that might just be the product. There might be a better one out there. But yeah, like, I'm very aware that there's something on my eyebrow. And also, how much are you supposed to put on? Like, do we keep doing it until like the desired level? Okay, so like from far, like, I just think, okay, it looks thicker. When you go close, I feel like I look like the Grinch. I'm gonna use this to try and like neaten it up, to see if we can kind of get some shape. Okay, I feel like you don't want to brush them down too much because then you kind of lose the effect of it. But I don't know. What do you guys think? Like, do we prefer it up and kind of a little bit messy? Or do we like prefer it to be a little bit neater? I'm gonna go in and do the other eyebrow because right now I look crazy. So let's just see. How much product do you use? Like, someone tell me in the comments how much product you're supposed to use for this. Looks crazy. Look, this is what I mean. This spiky is not fun. Okay, what do you guys think? I don't know. Okay, so this is what it looks like when they're just up and spiky. And this is what I can't get on board with. Like, I think, do I not look crazy? Like, someone tell me that this looks okay, because I don't think it does. Like, so we're gonna go in with this spoolie, and I'm just gonna kind of neaten those up. I'm very aware there's like product stuck to my eyebrows, which I don't know if I like that either. Take off some of the harshness, but kind of leave a little bit of the fluffiness in there because that's what we're after, really. So this is the finished look. I kind of just pulled them up a little bit again because I think when you push them down to neaten them, you don't really get that full volume. I just think there's a lot of hair on my eyebrow that are quite short, so it didn't kind of separate to kind of give that voluminous effect maybe. But I'm just gonna say, I don't like it. It's a no from me. Like, I feel like I've got way too much product on my eyebrows. Like, what are they? I think from far it looks fine. From close, you can call me the Grinch's sister. I don't like them. Tell me what you think in the comments. Like, do you guys like soap brows? Using this again. I won't be attempting a soap brow. I don't think it suits my look either. From far, I'm not offended. From close, I'm like, Grinch sister, hello. Like, I just feel like I like a neat kind of done look, and I just feel like it makes my look really unfinished, and I'm not a fan of it. So I'm gonna have to say that this is gonna be going straight in the bin. Thank God I bought a Revolution one because it's under a tenner. It's a no from me. Like, I was right to stay away from it. I can't get on board with it, and I just should have listened to my gut and not done it. But each to their own. That's just my opinion. Let me know in the comments what you think of my little Mrs. Grinch brows. And thanks for watching, and see you next week. Don't forget to like and subscribe.